What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And if you have insurance through Samsung, which costs $11.99 per month, and you break your phone and you send it in for repair, be prepared to not get it back, or maybe even a replacement, for quite a long time. This tweet comes from Max Weinbach, who I followed a little bit on his journey of his broken Galaxy Z Fold, and this is his latest 7 hours ago, saying my Fold 2 repair has now been delayed since Samsung doesn't have back panels for the Fold 2 in their repair center. How many months until I get my phone back? This is bad. This is the way I feel. If you have an insurance policy and you break your phone and you send it off to the manufacturer, and the manufacturer doesn't have the parts, and they won't for, I would say, at least a week, maybe 2 weeks, Samsung should be sending him a new or refurbished phone at this point. He should not have to wait to get his phone fixed because they don't have the part in place. They should be sending him a phone, and then when his phone can be fixed, then send that out to somebody else or resell it or whatever they want to do with it. He should not have to wait. That's not his problem that Samsung offers an insurance policy and they don't give him a new phone or some replacement phone at this point. He should not have to wait longer than, like I said, I would say a week at the most. Shame on Samsung. I mean, Samsung's doing a lot of crappy things lately in my book. This is one of them, with the repairs on at least the Z Fold anyway. They didn't even, when he originally sent the phone in for repair, he couldn't even get it couldn't even get it submitted because they didn't have it in the system. That's BS. That's bad. The other thing is, I did a video on this today, is their cases. It's in my other room, so I can't grab it. The case that I bought from Samsung, it's like $60 case. It should be like 20 bucks. It's a piece of crap. Don't buy it. Yeah, next story. As you can see from the update, Samsung One UI 3.0 Android 11 public beta is available right now if you live in Korea. So you sign up through the Samsung Members app. It's not available everywhere. At the time of making this video, it's only available, again, in South Korea for the S20 phones. Not S20 Fan Edition, only the S20 series of phones, except, again, the S20 Fan Edition. Note 20 should probably come out in the next couple weeks over there, and then after that you should see the rollout across the world. The other thing is, if you're a developer and you're on that beta, you can actually, and this is, I guess, is even in America, you can actually get the beta edition that, you know, more updated, the one that's out in South Korea. You can get that here in America. I saw a little post on Reddit. The update for it is 846 megs, and reading through it, it sounds like it's more smooth. Things run a little bit better. There's still some bugs, but ultimately, if you're a developer, you can get the regular beta now as well. Next up, Apple is going to officially create 5G on October 13th. At least that's what they're gonna tell you. They're gonna say, we created 5G, 5G's out for our phones right now. Whatever, they're gonna create something that's been out everywhere else, meaning their new iPhones are gonna have 5G. They're gonna announce some of these new iPhones on, maybe all of them anyway, October 13th, 10 a.m. You can see high speed. What does that mean? Obviously means 5G. Please join us for a special Apple event from Apple Park. Watch it online at apple.com. Again, October 13th, 10 a.m. So just a week away from today, you'll be able to watch their unveiling of their new iPhone 12s. And the last story of the day, flip phones, the Z Flip to be precise. The new generation of this, the third generation, the second generation, whatever you want to call it, they've had a Z Flip, they've had a Z Flip 5G, maybe the next one will just be called Z Flip 2 or Z Flip 3, whatever they end up calling it. We've got a little bit more information on it. These couple tweets, the first one's from Chun saying smaller punch hole, Snapdragon 875 inside. So if you want the best processor from Android, the Snapdragon 875 will be inside of it. The other one comes from DJ Co, or not DJ Co, I should say. It says, mark this confirmed. Z Flip will have a Snapdragon 875, and then the punch hole will be similar in size to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. So there you guys go. A couple things to know, at least rumor-wise, about the Z Flip. Are you guys excited about it? You a Z Flip fan? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. And I'll see you guys down the road.